which is 2 colourless, white, black,
Hey guys,
green.
welcome to another pack opening here at the Games Repository. We're here at the pre-release for cards of Tarkir with our second pack.
I like this.
Let's dive on in.
Bear's Companion, which is a green, blue, black. When it enters the battlefield.
So, looking at the back first, we see we've got a 4/4 bear token.
Really useful. Then our rare,
quite nice.
Savage
Quite like the artwork.
green,
Not bad.
blue, red.
Better than getting marketing cards.
Lots of nice abilities in there.
So first up here we have Weave's Fate, 4 mana, draw 2 cards, instant speed. Not a bad spell. Helps you refill your hand when you get to the mid-ish game. End of your opponent's turn. Not bad. It's that Bloodfire Expert. Creature with one of the new abilities, Prowess. 3/1 for 3 mana. It gets bigger when you cast it on the non-creature spells.
Right,
pretty good.
So we get a Goblin token.
Next up we have Smite the Monstrous. 4 mana, destroy token which is power 4 or greater.
Right.
Brilliant spell for removing your opponent's bombs.
White. But plus one plus target.
Good and limited, not so good in
colour until end turn. Nice little white card.
Next up, Glacial Stalker.
The abilities they get.
5 colourless 1.
Very useful.
6 mana for 4/5 and more for 5. Quite a high.
Swift kick, 4-drop.
Converted mana cost, large power creature. Could be pretty useful as a face down creature for bluffing with your opponents. Good for blocking.
With looking at face down creatures for 2 mana.
Debilitating Injury, 2 mana.
Which is a 4-drop.
Enchantment, enchanting creature -2/-2. Sorcery speed removal for creatures with 2 toughness, or you can use it for slowly getting down a bigger creature.
Tap, dual land.
Next up, Smoke Teller, 2 mana for a 2/2, nice bear creature. Pay 1/1 blue. Look at target face down creature. Pretty useful, limited. Bear, efficient, and then you can look at your opponent's more creatures and see if they're bluffing or not.
Active Freezing.
Next up, we have
3-drop.
CDC's Pet, 4 mana for a 1/4 with lifelink and morph.
Dual land for
Again, stock morph creature. The lifelink's pretty good. It's a good blocker.
Very, very useful card. Really.
Turn it face up to gain some life. Not bad.
Seeker of the Way, 2-drop, 2/2.
Waken the Bear, 3 mana instant. Target gets +3/+3 and gains trample 10 turn.
Really useful.
Not a bad spell. Quite mana heavy, but +3/+3 and trample nothing to sneeze at. Really good limited.
That player discards that card.
We have Scout the Borders, 3 mana for sorcery, reveal the top 5 cards are then put a creature card from them into your hand, put the rest into your graveyard. Pretty useful, helps you find your creatures, helps you fuel delve if you're playing lots of delve cards, while also finding a beefy creature.
Cool guys, hope you're enjoying a good pre-release and we'll...
So Lens of Clarity, you can look at your top draw, the top card of your library, so you can be like, you can plan out your next turn, and you can look at people's face down creatures.
Hey guys, welcome to Games
Very useful.
We're doing pack openings.
Very useful and limited.
Magic the Gathering pre-release, so let's open up a card to Tarkir.
So we will Aerialists, 6 mana for 4/5 for flying and prowess. Not a bad creature limited. It's quite a hefty body, it's got evasion built in, and the prowess ability just makes it that much better when you're casting non-creature spells.
We've Fate, which is a 4-drop, draw 2 cards.
So next up we have Horde Ambusher, 2 mana for 2/2, whenever it blocks deals 1 damage to you, bit of a pain, whenever it's turn face up, the target creature can't block. Interesting morph creature, one of the new ones where you just reveal a red card, so its morph cost is not terrible. And it does stop people blocking.
Canyon Lurkers, Human Rogue, 5-drop for 5/2 with...
So next up we have
Tuskar
Captain, 3 mana for a 2/3 Human Warrior with Outlast. These creatures roll +1/+1 out and trample. Good guy, if you're playing Outlast, this guy's great, especially in limited, allows you to force through that extra damage.
You can morph it and regenerate it.
And our rare for the pack is Sage the Inward Eye.
2-drop, 2/1.
5 mana for a 3/4 with flying. Whenever you cast a non-creature spell, creatures you control get life for the turn. Really useful ability. It's not a bad size creature with evasion for its mana cost, and it gives things lifelink.
Another feat.
Pretty nice and
What's the chances
limited.
of that happening? 2 feet the clans.
Now we have Forest.
Bit of Revelation, 4-drop black with top 4 cards
guys,
to the library.
until next
2 of them
time.
into your hand, and the rest of them